All right, so let me show you this thing. This thing is a product made by ChlorKing. It's called their Next Gen system. This thing will manage a lot of things. What we're primarily going to use it for is managing the chlorine and the pH in the pool. On the outside of the room, there will be a couple of tanks and vats that we'll use as far as chemicals go, and those will come from the tank and then pumped into the water stream to manage and maintain the chemistry of the pool. This pad right here will be where all the pumps are used to do that circulation. I'll show you more about this later, but I just wanted to give you a quick look at it right now. We just pulled it out of the box and this thing's a beast.